Evening, ladies and gents. Been on YouTube a while now. Most of you probably never seen or heard me, so I thought I'd do something a little bit different for you. Going to talk you through another one of my retro vacuums from my collection. This one being a 1983 Hoover Sensotronic Total System 5. Very rare cleaner. Really lucky to have it actually. It was in my mate's garage for about 5 or 6 years and it's absolutely covered in crap. But it's cleaned up pretty well. Best thing about it is it's got its original electric remote hose, which, believe it or not, is intact. 9 times out of 10 the machine's fine, but the hose is knackered. This would have been the top of the line cylinder for Hoover in the 80s. And it's got a remote hose. And basically, you control the machine. I switch it on and off, change the power with this little rotary thing. It's even got an economy mode, which just goes to show that Hoover was thinking of the environment even back in 1983. Being from the 80s, it's completely over the top. It's absolutely massive. Weighs about 12.5 kilos, I think. It's pretty heavy. Plus the wiring for the remote runs through the hose, which makes it pretty cumbersome as well. And it doesn't swivel like a lot of the modern ones do. But it's a pretty good machine for its time. It's really nice and quiet. It's got double skin casing, which adds to the weight but keeps the noise levels down. And it's about 1000 watt. It's pretty powerful though. Now this one should have had a electrokinetic power head. I did have one, but unfortunately I sold it with another machine before I got this one. So if anyone knows the whereabouts of one, I'll be very grateful to know about it. But at the moment it's got standard contour floor head, which does a good enough job. I've got the original brochure here. I'll take you through some of the models. That's the most basic one, that's the System 1. Absolutely rare as rocking all shit these days, which is a shame because it's a really nice colour. System 2 in a lovely shade of baby poo green. System 3. Total System 4 with the power head. And that's my one. Total System 5. Nice legs. Never mind. That's my turbo power in the background there. Still got it. But not very useful at the moment because I haven't actually got that much carpet, as you can see. Anyway. The reason it's called Sensotronic is basically it's got these two sensor lights on the front. And these show how efficiently the cleaner's working. So, say for example you used the wrong power level, or it's blocked up, or the filters need cleaning or something like that, the red light would come on, otherwise the green light would be on. It's as simple as that really. Anyway, we give it a go. So that's the main power switch. Also you can turn it on and off from the remote as well. I think we start off in eco mode. Just turn it up a bit. Probably sounds quite noisy in the camera, but in real life it's pretty quiet really. This hose is a nightmare though, it's so heavy. Just take it through to the other room. And before you ask, they ain't my slippers. Thank God. These were really powerful cleaners for their time. If you compare it to another cylinder from 1982, say Hoover Freedom or something like that, it really is a big difference. Let's turn it down a bit. Right, what I'll try and do, I'll try and show the sensor light in operation. Not going to be easy with one hand though, so bear with me. It's got the classic Hoover twist lock tools as well. So there you go, that's the sensor light working. So there it is, that is the System 5. My everyday vacuum at the moment, but probably going to look to getting something a bit more modern. Thinking maybe another Miele or a Seabo, but we'll see. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Got any feedback then let me know. And I'll see you soon. Cheers guys.